welcome back to my channel. So this time I'm back again with a review video, and this time I'm gonna be reviewing this, the Revlon Makeup Revolution London Pro HD Amplified 35 palette. Oh, such a long name. So before moving on to the swatches, I am just gonna give you a few details about it. Okay, I bought this for around 1800 rupees from Nykaa as it was on sale, but the original pricing is 20,557 rupees, and this is how it looks when it is in the package. I have to get into a lot of details to find out the negative points because I am so much in love with this palette. So these all shades are there, and like this, these are very pigmented. If I will scotch, let me scotch this. So now you can see how pigmented the color is, and it blends very nicely on your skin. The only thing I wish I had a mirror here, else I cannot find any negative point for this particular palette. And let's move on to the swatches because that is what you guys are waiting for. So let's move on. All these swatches, you know how the color look like. And if you like this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, do not forget to subscribe and like my videos, and yes, also follow me on Instagram. And for any queries, you can DM me on my Instagram, or you can ask me the things in the comment section. So till the next time, bye bye.